Hey guys, it's Venom here. I just came back over here riding my boys brand new Yamaha R7. Help him out. Yeah, his motorcycle got impounded Saturday, so I had to help him go get it back. Anyways, man, the bike is freaking amazing, man. It's freaking awesome. It's loud, got a lot of torque, a lot of power. It's actually the first time I've ridden an R7, and I like it a lot. Yep. There he is right there. Give it a few revs. Oh, yeah. Very nice. There's my boy right there, Nestor. ¿Qué pasó? No, bueno. Muy bien. Rápido. Yep. Yeah, that's his bike right there. Had a chance to ride it. I forgot my GoPro. My GoPro's on the other helmet, so I didn't get a chance to record it riding it. But yeah, this bike right here is fucking awesome. Loud. Oh yeah.